Welcome to our facility. We're going to follow the remarkable journey of how this premium merino wool becomes luxury clothing for the world's top fashion brands.
Clear the fleece, send the next one down.
Check the color uniformity on this sample.
Spot on. We can classify this as AAA grade.
All right, team, confirm pallet count on truck 4. And forklift, watch your spacing on the next load.
Manifest check complete, cleared for entry. Bay 3.
Easy now, keep it coming straight back. All right, hold it there.
Look at this section here, too much vegetable matter. I see it. Adjusting the speed slightly.
The airflow on chamber 3 is fluctuating slightly. Reroute the heat capture. It should stabilize the temperature.
Heads up on the burgundy velvet. There's a subtle color variation here that needs addressing.
The completed garments pass through specialized metal detectors that scan each piece to ensure no broken fragments remain.
Bring it back 3 inches. Okay, drop it there. Securing the load now.
The ship represents the final stage of the journey, carrying luxury wool from our farms to the world.
Thank you for watching the journey of how our premium wool becomes luxury clothing for famous brands, reinforcing the quality and craftsmanship of every garment.